Well, last year we told you about a new program for students at Shoshone-Bannock High School to get more hands-on experience in technology fields. KPVI News That Works for You journalist Zane Hopen caught up with one of the program's first graduates, who's paving the way for future tech students to go to college.
Last year, Wyatt Beasley was presented a new opportunity at Shoshone-Bannock High School. The Fields program, which stands for the Foundation for Indigenous Education, Leadership, Development, and Sustainability, partnered with the high school to help students like Wyatt answer questions about what they want to do with their careers.
I didn't know what kind of program I was going to go into.
Now, almost exactly a year later, Wyatt's lack of confidence in knowing what he wanted to do turned into an opportunity through Fields' partnership with the school as one of the program's first graduates.
Today I came to present a scholarship to Wyatt, a graduate of the Fields Technology Education Program. And we're really excited to give him this $500 scholarship.
The scholarship will help pay for Wyatt's next level education as it goes through Idaho State University's HVAC program, which will give him hands-on experience with heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems.
It helped me get on my feet to where I could work with hands-on stuff. Some people, they're not really into books. Some people are just into hands-on stuff to where they could go into both fields if they want to. And I'm pretty grateful for it.
He's been able to help really serve as a leader and a mentor to some of the other students. So we are very proud of Wyatt. He couldn't have gone to a more deserving student.
Wyatt was part of the group of students and staff who put together the training center the school has for the Fields program. With contributions from Idaho National Lab and the state's STEM Action Center, Wyatt was able to get that real-world experience doing something he's now passionate about and be a pioneer for future students with similar interests.
Now, Fields is located in Pocatello, but operates all over Idaho, Utah, Nevada, Wyoming, and Canada.